Here I have NOKIA T10, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, first you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings, or you can't. So by tap on it once, you can switch audio settings. You can record a device audio, microphone, or both. And you can show touches on screen. So after you tap start, this countdown appears, and after 3 seconds, recording is on. So now we're recording our screen. And when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar, tap stop here, and after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, the special movies section. And here it is. And from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.